With Rite Aid filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy for the second time in 3 years, hundreds of locations across the country have been put on notice that their doors will be closing sometime in the near future, including 5 here in Kern County. I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter. However, the Rite Aid in Lake Isabella is just one of 2 pharmacies in the Kern River Valley where residents can walk in and fill their prescriptions, leaving them hearing the news and beginning to feel a little uneasy as to what could happen. As of this report, there are no plans for the Rite Aid in Lake Isabella to close. But for residents like Daniel Bauer and in-home services support staff for a few residents in town, should the Rite Aid close, he says he's stuck between a rock and a hard place, either being forced to travel or get prescriptions through the mail.
This Rite Aid goes down, I'm going to have to drive to Bakersfield at least 3-4 times a month to get prescriptions, and that takes my billfold emptied.
However, there is one other pharmacy in the area, Mesa Clinical, which is part of the Kern Valley Healthcare District. When we asked Bauer if he planned to utilize their service, he said he's not sure if the pharmacy is able to handle the capacity of residents should it become the only pharmacy in the area.
I don't believe that they would be able to handle the amount of people that would be showing up there.
According to KVHD CEO Timothy McGlew, the Mesa Clinical Pharmacy is already seeing an influx of people, and the medical group is already thinking of ways to better service customers in the Kern River Valley.
We used to have an average of about 3,000 scripts a month. I think we're now up to about 5,800. We did this last month. And so we've been able to handle that so far. One of the things we're doing now is just trying to figure out how can we expand our pharmacy to give more space so that we can handle that a little better.
So to reiterate, the Lake Isabella Rite Aid is not closing. However, McGlew says that they are monitoring the situation closely, and should the Rite Aid close, they plan to continue to service the valley and work on ways to make it easier for residents to get access to their prescriptions. In Lake Isabella, I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter.